Here we are on the Aussie Christmas special. How to cook the perfect Christmas dinner. Turkey's in the oven cooking. They're nicely basted, it's all ready to go.
Oh, nice now, bird, eh? What, that?
It's important to have a good drink. Keep yourself lubricated at all times.
No, when you can go chopping it roll with it. Don't worry about getting your hands in there, mixing it up.
Beautiful tacker, eh?
Crunching it up.
What's good is to take a bite out of it.
You must have lots to drink, especially when you're just eating an onion. You know what? It's going to be Pucker-tucker, isn't it? Pucker-tucker. Ripper.
So we're nearly there now. See, look, that looks like nice colour, nice bit of variation. Carrots, onions, mayonnaise to go with it.
Mayonnaise? Yeah,
Mayonnaise.
Where's that then, back
It's back in the fridge somewhere. You can look in the fridge.
This has been out in the paddock for a while, whether you're right, a little warm.
Ever seen a match burn twice?
Oh!
Find the whisk?
Yeah, I got a whisk. Oh, yeah, I knew it was somewhere.
I think you better use the other end. Don't worry about it, a bit smoked flavour.
I think we're pretty right here. Look at that, oils of me onion. Oh, did you burn yourself? Drinking the smoke when you're cooking all adds to it, eh? Oh, there it is. Oh! Oh, Margie. Oh.
Put the stuffing balls in. Have we done there, look?
That's good.
Lovely. Stuffing balls. Keep your balls in for 40 minutes, they've probably done very well. There's the old turkey. We're going to stick out.
Full specialty. Hey, the one thing we forgot to do, the old chipolatas. Here's one. There's one there. Hey, what, eh? That's beautiful, eh?
Right, so we just tuck this in and that's it then.
Put that in the oven there, that'll be, she'll be right, eh? She'll be right, no worries. Thank you, we'll see you next week.